My name's Chilel. I've travelled from Hackney in London. At the time when I saw one of his videos, I was really impressed, but I really wanted to get on a crash course as soon as possible. I think he's awesome, really. I think that's the word. He's awesome, and everything has been so much more than I expected, and there's been so much honesty and transparency, and just people say they're going to give you value and you don't end up feeling like that, but he actually gave us more than value, gave us worth. I think he's actually just really blessed us, and it's been incredible. Definitely come, you will not be disappointed. You're only going to be mind blown, that's how I'm going to put it. It's so incredible, not just for the content. I think the values of the staff as well, you can see, you're treated so kindly, which I know that sounds like a basic, but sometimes you go to conferences and you're just treated like a number. I just think there's a great philosophy here that needs to be, and we need to support and cheer it on by coming and then getting so much value for it. So I would say come along, you will not be disappointed. I just like to say thank you to Samuel, basically. Yeah, thank you so much, Samuel. I have gleaned so much from these two days, not just for the property, but I think there's been a lot of personal growth as well. There's been a lot of tapping on things I need to deal with, and so it's just been amazing, more than I expected.